Tinnitus is basically hearing too much sound. So it's basically you're hearing an extra sound or mix of sounds when there's no outside sound source. So for example, I have like at least 3 different sounds for my tinnitus. I have like a shh and like a whistling sound and a screeching sound and a few all mixed together. That's normal, that's the way it is. When you have tinnitus that never goes away, some people it's a bit more intermittent, but when it's constant, it can be like fingernails on a blackboard or a never-ending car alarm. It can be very intrusive.